So I got the one-day stats for the LVMH SE shares that trade on the over-the-counter market, and these are quoted in U.S. dollars. So today the stock closed at 158, but it looks like it was flirting with 159. It was trying to break through that barrier, and I thought that was very cool. This is a stock that I've been watching for a long time. I don't keep a tight eye on it, but I will from now on. Like I said, I'm just amazed that I actually can own this. Today's range, it was 157.96. That was the high, and it was a low of I said that backwards. A low of 157.96 and a high of 159.22. And that is a decent range, especially considering that the stock had a 52-week low of 85.67. So if you bought this sometime within the last 52 weeks, you could have got it for $85.67. And the high was 165.59. So we're definitely getting this one at a good price. It's about $10 off of its 52-week high. The stock could go up from here, could go down from here. I don't know, but at least we're not getting in at the very top and paying too much. And if it goes back to 165, we can make a couple more dollars. It's really interesting because this is an over-the-counter stock. Today's trading volume was only 200,000, which is that's a little bit slow. But it is an over-the-counter stock, so stocks on the New York Stock Exchange, they sell sometimes millions of shares a day. But they have a market cap of $400 billion, so I'm not really worried about this. This is not a low-cap stock. It's just not traded very frequently, and why would you? It's LVMH. You buy and you hold. You set it and forget it. They have EPS, earnings per share of $2.21. So you buy one share of this for $150 basically, and you are entitled to about $2.20 of their earnings. It's not bad, especially considering that they have 400 billion shares out. So that's really cool. This company has a beta, LVMH, their beta is 0.96. And basically, the beta is a measure of how volatile the stocks is. So if you have a beta of over 1, that it really just marks your correlation with the stock market, because the S&P 500 and just the larger market that it's all attached to, beta is a measure of, of correlation, really. It just tells you if the stock market goes up or the stock market goes down, how likely is it that your stock will go up or down with it. And a number around 1 is great. If you have a number higher than 1 or lower than 1, negative, then you just need to have a stock strategy that reflects that, because stocks with a negative beta, they trade differently. If the stock market is down, they'll probably be up, and if the stock market is up, they'll probably be down. And that's not a bad thing, because when the entire market is down, it's awesome to have one stock that's going up, and vice versa. And everything is going up, it's not too bad to have a stock going down. That they ain't gonna hurt your feelings too much. They do pay a dividend. Woo! Yes. It says it has a forward dividend yield of 1.45. So you get $1.45. That should be throughout the rest of the year. If you hold it for a year, you get $1.45. And that's a 0.91% dividend. It's not very high. I like 3% dividends. I like big dividends, and I cannot lie. So a 1% dividend, that's not too bad. With this stock being over $100 in price, I would like to get a 5% dividend. That's unrealistic, but I know I would get a $5 for I will receive $5 at the end of the year for tying up my money for 1 year, and that'll be pretty cool. Just get a $5 bill